So there are obviously various technologies you can choose, and it's definitely not a battle that has been won by any party. So although I think our choice has been sensible, I can't say that at this stage Docker Swarm is the only thing that will exist in 5 years from now. I genuinely doubt it. But we actually shifted away and consciously chose for Docker, not necessarily Docker Swarm or what have you, but just we started with the Dockers, because if we'd have that, then we knew that if we could run this once, we'd be able to run it again and again and again and again. So we'd have a more flexible system to try things on, and we just locked ourselves into saying, okay, whatever method of deployment we'll use, we'll supply our software as a Docker. And then later on in the project we decided, look, Docker Compose, it's definitely not there yet, but it seems like a good way of specifying what the whole thing should be and how everything connects together. And then we decided, okay, so we'll support Docker Compose, but we didn't say at that stage we'll support Swarm. No, internally we just said Docker Compose is a good way of, wrapping things up and declaring it, declaratively specifying exactly what you wanted to have launched. And I think that still holds. It's not per se because we say we'll do Docker and Docker Compose that we are attached to Swarm or any of those things. If it turns out that there's a better way of scheduling things, we can still transform the Docker Compose description to that other thing. But for now, it seems that Swarm is a sensible option. It has proven as well. It's gone for a good ride with us. And it makes sense for picking Swarm at this stage. But no, it might change over time, of course.